The Halo is a wireless muscle stimulator that's great for relieving pain and sore muscles. I'm gonna go over some tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Halo. So a quick overview of the Halo. It comes with this really nice charging case, and with a standard charger, it takes about 30 minutes to fully charge. Just make sure that the pucks are clicked into place before charging. Now the power button should be aligned vertically. Now you can also charge the pucks outside the case with the USB-C port, but it's just easier in the case. It comes with 2 pucks which you can use together or independently, and you control the pucks with the remote. It comes with spot pads, trigger point pads, and a lower back pad. And you can buy more pads and replacement pads online. It also has an extension cable to attach multiple pads to one puck. Now let's go in more depth on how to actually use your Halo. Oil, sweat, and dirt can actually interfere with your pad's conductivity, so make sure you wipe your skin clean and dry before using. First, remove the puck from the case and place it on the pad, and then place that on your body. And then press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds. So this is very important. Avoid placing the Halo on your head, your neck, your chest, or your groin. Now, sometimes the pain you feel doesn't actually come from the muscles that you're thinking that they come from. So use the Halo app to decide where's the best place to place those pads. Next, remove the remote from the case and press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds. And you know the puck is paired when the light stops spinning. Now, if they don't pair, try turning the pucks off and on again. And if it still doesn't work, then you may need to charge them back up again. Now, if they are charged, then turn both the puck and remote off. Then hold the power button on the puck for about 5 seconds or until the light flashes blue. Then turn the remote back on again. You'll know that the puck has connected by the circle in the top left corner of the remote screen. Now, here is a quick rundown of the programs. Pain relief combines EMS and TENS, and that's best for relieving pain. Massage uses TENS frequencies that feel like soft taps. Squeeze switches between EMS and TENS, and that's best for the recovery of sore muscles. Thump uses EMS frequencies that are best used for resetting of fatigued muscles. Stretch uses TENS frequencies that are optimized for prevention. Whoa Nelly uses EMS and switches between intense and soothing for muscle stimulation and blood flow. Now, it's important to note that removing the puck from the pad or the pad from the skin will automatically stop the Halo. Now, what's the difference between TENS and EMS, you may ask? TENS feels like TV static, as if your arm is asleep, and that's because the signal is activating your nerves. EMS activates your muscles, and you'll feel that when your muscles start contracting. To adjust the power, simply press up or down. It's best to go for a level that's uncomfortable, but not painful. Now, if your Halo feels like it's losing intensity, check the pad placement, or it may be time to replace the pads itself. You can control the intensity of both pucks separately on all modes except for pain relief. When you're on the intensity screen, hold both the left and right buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. At that point, you'll see a lightning bolt at the top, which lets you know that the controls are split. And from here, you can adjust them individually. Then hold the left and right buttons again to end the stop on individual control. The Halo also has extension cables that allow you to connect 2 pads to a single puck. Here's how to do it. Place the Halo puck and pad where you want to stimulate. Then connect the extension cables to the spot pads and place those pads on your body, and then use the Halo as you normally would. To pause or resume, just press the center button, and to power off, just press and hold that center button. Press left or right to get to the timer, and then press up or down to adjust the timer accordingly. And just a heads up, the timing for the pain relief mode can't be changed like the others. And if you need to return to other programs, then just press the left or right button. The best way to take care of the pads is to rinse them under running water and then rub the gel clean with your hands. And then air dry, and then always put the pads back in the plastic covers.